Using a Dremel or other tools, shave and sand off the old socket. Use a small flathead tool to chip off any remaining debris. Apply rubbing alcohol to the freshly shaved surface of the exposed socket. Mix epoxy into a small receptacle. Make sure the arrows on the new battery socket are facing towards the top of the battery. Continue working on the battery while it is upside down for better access. Apply glue to the back of the new socket as well as the barren surface of the old socket. Press the new socket into place and momentarily apply a clamp. Once the clamp has been fully tightened, remove it and examine the entryway to identify any extra glue. Remove excess glue with a Q-tip. Reapply the clamp and let the glue dry at least 6 hours.